I seek refuge in the Lord of man, the King of man, the God of man. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, I, Dr. Maria Anwar, Consultant Gynaecologist and Subfertility Advisor. I'm gonna consult the patients from different cities, from different countries, and from different continents. Patients can contact me regarding to any gynecological problems, antenatal care, kangaroo care services, any consultancy regarding to pediatric as well as adolescent gynecology, endoscopy, subfertility issues, IUI, IVF, test tube baby, in fact, well women clinic. So I welcome patients from all over the world that they can consult me online on the given number. Consultation will only be given by booking. Firstly, the patient has to book their consultation on the given number, and then on the concern and on the scheduled time, the consultation will be given. Thank you very much.